how vital do you think information security is in our digital world today? Imagine a world where all your sensitive information, from personal details to financial data, is stored and managed digitally. Now, imagine the chaos that could ensue if this information fell into the wrong hands. This is the risk we face without proper information security. In the digital age, the importance of information security cannot be overstated. We are increasingly reliant on digital systems for storing and managing sensitive data. Without robust information security measures in place, we expose ourselves to a myriad of threats, including data breaches and identity theft. The consequences of such breaches can be catastrophic, leading to significant financial losses and damage to reputation. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and with it, the threats we face are also becoming more sophisticated. With the rising threats in the digital landscape, understanding the elements of information security becomes not just essential, but critical. So, what exactly are these elements that make up information security? Well, there are three main components, often referred to as the CIA triad. No, this has nothing to do with covert operations or secret agents. In this context, CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Let's start with confidentiality. This is all about keeping sensitive information away from unauthorized eyes. Imagine you're sending a secret message to a friend. You wouldn't want just anyone to read it, right? That's where encryption comes into play. It's like a secret code that only you and your friend can understand, keeping your message confidential. Next up is integrity. This ensures that the data remains accurate and reliable during its entire life cycle. To understand this, imagine sending a package. You'd want it to reach its destination without any tampering, wouldn't you? That's where checksums come in. They're like digital signatures, ensuring your data package remains intact from source to destination. Last, but certainly not least, is availability. This component ensures that information is accessible to authorized users when needed. Think of it like a well-stocked grocery store. You'd want your favorite brand of cereal to be available whenever you need it. In the digital world, redundant systems like multiple servers or backup power supplies ensure that your data is always there when you need it. So, to recap, confidentiality keeps our data private, integrity ensures our data remains untampered, and availability makes sure our data is always ready for us. These elements, working together, form the backbone of any robust information security system. Just as a stool needs all three of its legs to stand firm, an effective information security system relies on each of these elements to keep our data safe and secure. These elements, working together, form the backbone of any robust information security system. Now let's see how these elements apply in real-life scenarios. Think about the last time you used online banking. You entered your credentials, checked your balance, maybe even transferred some funds. All of these actions require confidentiality, one of the key elements of information security. Banks use sophisticated encryption techniques to ensure your data remains confidential, keeping your transactions and personal information secure from prying eyes. Now imagine a doctor accessing your medical records. The importance of accuracy in this context can't be overstated. This is where integrity, another element of information security, comes into play. It ensures that the data is accurate and hasn't been tampered with, so your doctor can make informed decisions based on correct information. Finally, consider the world of e-commerce. Websites that operate 24/7 can't afford to have downtime, and this is where the element of availability becomes crucial. Information security works behind the scenes to ensure that servers are always up and running, so you can shop at your convenience, be it day or night. Each of these examples illustrates a different element of information security in action, showcasing how these principles are integral to our daily digital interactions. From banking to healthcare to shopping, information security works tirelessly to make sure our experiences are secure, reliable, and convenient. As you can see, information security plays a critical role in diverse areas, ensuring our digital interactions are safe and reliable. So, to summarize what we've learned about the elements of information security, the cornerstone of this field rests on three main pillars: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These principles guide us in protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access, ensuring the accuracy and consistency of data over its entire life cycle, and guaranteeing reliable access to the data when needed. Our real-world examples underscored the vitality of these elements in our daily digital interactions. Remember, in today's digital world, understanding and implementing information security is not just a necessity, it's a responsibility for all of us.